Hello friends, today we will see essay on importance of English. So let's start. Language is a vital tool for communication. It is not only a means of communicating thoughts and ideas, but it builds friendships, economic relationships, and cultural ties. As Oliver Wendell Holmes has said that language is the blood of the soul, into which thoughts run and out of which they grow. English is very important language because in most of the countries on the world it is spoken and understood. It is a ubiquitous and common language of the world. It is the official language of around 52 countries of the world. It comprises of 26 letters and very simple and easy language. At schools, all children are taught English and all subjects except their mother tongue are taught in English. English is official and widely used language of India and many other countries. It is used as a second language in most of the countries of the world. One who knows good English can work anywhere in the world because it is the language of the science and technology. Those who lack at English remain devoid of using websites in English. When we learn English, we also learn the culture of English people and culture of English people and make our culture rich. All Indians believe that Hindi is their national language, but it is very important to learn foreign languages, especially English, to excel in life. Today, English has been firmly rooted in India. It has become a part of Indian life. Thus, English has gained great importance for the good faith of India. It has become a second language of India for the better progress of the country. So thank you friends, thank you for watching my video and please subscribe my channel and hit like if you like my videos. Thank you.